Hi there, students. Snitch, to snitch, a verb with two different meanings, both informal. And then a snitch, maybe two or three different meanings, and all of those informal as well. The first thing I think about when I hear the verb to snitch, it means to inform on somebody, to tell the authorities secretly without anybody knowing. At school, when one of the kids snitches to the teacher about what you did wrong or what you shouldn't have done. Yeah, so Johnny's always snitching to the teacher. He's a snitch, so I'd be careful what you do when he's about. Okay, so to inform on someone, to betray other people by giving information to the authorities. Then we have the verb to snitch, meaning to steal. This one maybe is a bit old-fashioned. It's also very informal. So he snitched a bar of chocolate from the shop. It looks like somebody snitched some money from my wallet. Yeah, or they've snitched something, my lunch from my rucksack. Makes me angry. And then finally, as a noun, you might use snitch in British English to talk about your nose, although I think this is fairly unusual. Okay, so to snitch on, to inform on somebody. Notice as well, to snitch on somebody. He snitched on me. He snitched on me to the police. Very often a snitch is a police informer. If word gets out that you're a snitch, life on the street is going to be very difficult for you. Be careful what you tell him, because he's a snitch and you're going to end up in trouble with the authorities knowing exactly what you've done. But this is an informal use. Yeah, to snitch on somebody, to tittle-tattle, to grass on somebody, to grass somebody up. Yeah, to tell on them. Okay, so to snitch, to secretly tell somebody in authority that someone else has done something wrong. If you snitch on your friends, you're not going to have many friends left. And then to snitch, to steal, to take without permission. He snitched my idea and then presented it as his own idea. Not a very nice thing to do. Yeah, he snitches my stuff and then he snitches on me. Both meanings at the same time. I think nowadays in society we have a culture that says don't snitch to the authorities. If you snitch to the authorities, you're not a good person. Yeah, so to snitch, to inform on somebody, to grass somebody up. Yeah, to squeal, to blabber, to betray. Yeah, to inform on. Okay, and then to snitch, to nick, to filch, to pilfer, to purloin, yeah, or just to steal. Okay, so what about formality? I think both of these verbs are informal. I think I'd probably give to snitch on somebody a 4 in formality, but don't use this in a semi-formal writing. To inform on somebody, to denounce somebody, something like that. And then to snitch, to steal, I think I'd give this a 3 in formality. To nick, in something more formal, to steal or purloin, to take without permission, something like that. Notice both verbs are regular verb. He snitched my money. He has snitched my idea. He snitched on me. He has snitched on me before. So it's they're regular verbs. And then as to origin, maybe they're alliterations of the verb to snatch, to take, or a variant of the verb to sneak, to creep, to crawl, to go quietly. And I can understand both of these related to both meanings. Okay, so to snitch on somebody, to inform on somebody, yeah, to tell the authorities, to contact and cooperate with the police, or to snitch something, to steal quickly and quietly while nobody's looking, yeah, to pocket it. Okay, so there you've got two quite useful words. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Snitch to steal, snitch to inform.